If you have been studying Turkish for months, or maybe even for years, and you still feel stuck, this video is for you. You watch lessons, you study vocabulary, you maybe even take classes, but when it comes to speak, you freeze. Or you keep making the same grammar mistakes. So what's going wrong? Let's talk about it honestly. 1. You are studying randomly. One of the biggest reasons people don't improve in Turkish is lack of structure. You learn a tense 1 week, then vocabulary from Instagram, then a YouTube video about something else, then maybe some listening practice, but there is no system. Turkish is not a language you can just learn randomly. It is structured. It builds layer by layer. If you don't understand case endings, verb conjugation logic, sentence structure, everything feels confusing. Improvement requires order. 2. You are memorizing, not understanding. A lot of learners try to memorize patterns. Okay, this verb takes E, this one takes E, this one is just like that. But Turkish is not about memorizing lists. It's about understanding relationships. So why do we say bana bakıyor but beni görüyor, for example? If you don't understand the logic behind the grammar, you'll keep guessing, and guessing slows confidence. 3. You avoid what feels hard. This is important. Most learners spend time on what feels comfortable. Vocabulary, short phrases, listening passively, but they avoid sentence building, speaking practice, case endings, complex tenses. Improvement happens when you face what feels difficult, not when you repeat what's easy. 4. You don't get feedback. You might be studying alone, watching videos, using apps, but who corrects you? If nobody tells you that sentence is wrong, you need accusative here, or this verb requires dative, then mistakes become habits, and habits become fossilized errors. Feedback is uncomfortable, but it is necessary. 5. You don't study consistently. Some weeks you study a lot, then life gets busy. Then 2 weeks pass, then you restart. Language improvement is not about intensity. It is about consistency. 20 focused minutes daily is much better than 3 hours once a week. If you feel stuck, it doesn't mean you are bad at languages. It usually means your method needs adjustment. Turkish is logical, but only when you learn it in the right order. If you want to help organizing your Turkish properly, I've created a Turkish grammar roadmap where I explain what to learn first and how you structure your progress. You can download it from the link below. It will help you to stop studying randomly and start studying strategically. Don't forget, improvement is not magic. It's clarity, structure, consistency, and feedback. And once you have all those, progress becomes visible. See you in the next lesson.